Have you ever noticed Facebook automatically moving to the next reel when the current one ends? In this video, I'll show you how to stop that behavior and take full control of your reel viewing experience. First, open the Facebook app and start watching any reel. Once the reel is playing, tap on the three dots in the bottom right corner of the screen. A menu will appear with several options. Near the bottom of this menu, you should see an option called Stop Moving to Next Reel Automatically. When this setting is turned on, Facebook will no longer automatically scroll to the next reel after the current one finishes. Instead, the reel will stop, and you'll need to manually swipe up to watch the next reel. This can be useful if you prefer to watch content at your own pace or avoid endless scrolling. Tap on this option to enable it. If you later decide that you want Facebook to automatically move to the next reel again, simply tap the three dots once more while watching a reel. You'll see the option to restore automatic scrolling, and after enabling it, Facebook will continue playing the next reel automatically when the current one ends. That's it. A simple setting that gives you more control over how you watch reels on Facebook. If this tutorial helped you, like the video and subscribe for more quick and practical Facebook tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.